Welcome to Incav Medical. Today we are moving this open MRI, the Esaote S-scan, from a facility in Ohio to our warehouse in Florida. 13,000 pounds magnet. And hundreds of components needs to be disassembly, cataloged, classified, and moving very carefully. Eventually it will be assembly back and installed in a hospital in Latin America to help communities for many more years. S-scan is perfectly in line with today's need for efficient and economic health care and is an optimal choice for any practice with a substantial musculoskeletal workload. The S-scan with EXP technology covers all musculoskeletal anatomy from foot to shoulders, including the L and C spine. It is perfectly in line with today's need for efficient and economic health care and is a sensible choice for any practice with a substantial musculoskeletal workload. S-scan integrates Esaote's years of experience in the development and production of dedicated MRI systems and is a complete and efficient solution that's specifically optimized to meet the demanding needs of MSK professionals. The S-scan system features and capabilities: maintenance-free open permanent magnet, 0.25 Tesla field strength, standalone system with small footprint, low power consumption, less than 3 kW in normal 220 or 110 volts power outlet, ergonomic open patient table with 200 kilograms capacity, complete set of dedicated optimized coils, full range of MSK imaging sequences comprising steady-state sequences, various fat saturation techniques, contrast media imaging, high resolution with slices of up to 0.3 mm in isotropic 3D, ease of use, full set of predefined sequences and protocols. S-scan is an efficient MRI system that's easy to use, with simple patient workflow that cost-effectively delivers outstanding image quality. Its open design and real-time image display on the gantry facilitates fast and easy patient positioning. With DICOM work list, network integration, and no cryogens, S-scan's small footprint makes MRI efficient and cost-effective, whether you perform 1 or 20 examinations per day. Musculoskeletal MRI, the second most requested MRI study behind neuroimaging. Esaote's focus is MSK MRI and we have become the world leader in that area. Esaote systems are used daily in many clinics and hospitals all over the world for routine clinical use as well as for research. Esaote systems are unique as they are extremely easy to use and combine excellent image quality with optimum patient comfort. S-scan comes with comprehensive network, archiving, and documentation features to work either standalone or as part of an integrated environment. As a standalone scanner, S-scan has an integrated DVD archive and retrieve software package, printer output facility and a patient CD package. As a network system, SCAN is DICOM compliant, and offers smart solutions for connectivity to your PACS and teleradiology. The S-scan, manufactured by Esaote, complies with the Medical Device Directive MDD 9342-EC. In accordance with this directive, Esaote has classified it as Class 2A devices. The S-scan dedicated MRI system has been cleared by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA). At Incav Medical we have this open MRI available for sale or rent. Please contact us if you need more information. Remember, Incav Medical, your best option for medical equipment. Thanks for watching.